Cellulite is a common concern for many people, especially women. It often appears as dimpled, lumpy skin on the thighs, buttocks, hips, and even arms. Despite being harmless, it can affect confidence and make people self-conscious about their appearance. If you're wondering what cellulite is, what causes it, and how you can reduce it naturally at home, you've come to the right place. In this in-depth guide, we'll break down everything you need to know about cellulite and how to achieve smoother, firmer skin with natural remedies. What is cellulite? Cellulite is a skin condition that occurs when fat deposits push through the connective tissue beneath the skin, creating a dimpled or uneven surface. It is often compared to the texture of an orange peel or cottage cheese. While cellulite is more common in people who carry extra body fat, even slim and athletic individuals can develop it. It's a normal part of the body's structure and not necessarily a sign of poor health. The most common areas affected by cellulite include thighs, buttocks, hips, stomach, arms. It is estimated that 80 to 90% of women will experience cellulite at some point in their lives. It's far less common in men due to differences in skin structure, fat distribution, and hormone levels. How does cellulite form? Underneath the skin, there are layers of fat and fibrous connective tissues that help hold everything in place. When fat cells accumulate and expand, they push against the connective tissue. If the connective tissue is weak, fat deposits can protrude through, creating the bumpy appearance of cellulite. Think of it like a mattress. The fat cells are like the soft filling inside the mattress. The connective tissues are like the fabric covering the mattress. When the fabric is tight and strong, everything stays smooth. When the fabric loosens, the soft filling, fat, pushes through and creates an uneven texture. What causes cellulite? Several factors contribute to cellulite formation, including genetics, lifestyle habits, and hormonal changes. Let's take a closer look at the most common causes. Number 1. Genetics. Your genes play a major role in whether or not you develop cellulite. If your mother or grandmother had cellulite, you are more likely to develop it too. Genetic factors that influence cellulite include skin thickness and elasticity, fat distribution and metabolism, circulation and lymphatic drainage. While genetics can make you more prone to cellulite, your lifestyle choices can still make a big difference in reducing its appearance. Number 2. Poor circulation and lymphatic drainage. Blood circulation and lymphatic drainage play a huge role in skin health and cellulite formation. When circulation is poor, less oxygen and nutrients reach the skin, making it weaker and less elastic. When the lymphatic system is sluggish, toxins and excess fluids accumulate, exaggerating the bumpy look of cellulite. A sedentary lifestyle, tight clothing, and poor posture can restrict blood flow and make cellulite more noticeable. Number 3. Hormonal changes. Hormones like estrogen, insulin, and thyroid hormones influence fat storage and skin health. Estrogen, the female hormone, affects collagen production, fat storage, and circulation. When estrogen levels drop, especially during menopause, the skin becomes thinner, and cellulite becomes more noticeable. Insulin and cortisol can contribute to weight gain and fat accumulation, leading to increased cellulite. Number 4. Unhealthy diet. A poor diet can worsen cellulite by increasing fat accumulation, especially from processed foods and sugar. Weakening connective tissues, from lack of collagen-boosting nutrients. Causing water retention, from excessive salt and processed foods. A diet rich in whole, nutrient-dense foods can help strengthen skin and reduce the visibility of cellulite. Number 5. Lack of exercise. A sedentary lifestyle leads to weak muscles and poor circulation, making cellulite more noticeable. Regular exercise tones muscles, burns fat, and boosts circulation, reducing the dimpled appearance. Number 6. Dehydration. Not drinking enough water causes the skin to lose its elasticity, making cellulite more visible. Hydrated skin appears plumper, firmer, and smoother. Number 7. Stress and poor sleep. Chronic stress raises cortisol levels, which leads to fat accumulation and poor circulation, both of which make cellulite worse. Lack of sleep also disrupts the body's ability to repair tissues, making skin looser and cellulite more pronounced. How to get rid of cellulite naturally at home. While there's no permanent cure for cellulite, you can significantly reduce its appearance with natural remedies. The key is consistency. These methods take time, but with dedication, you can achieve firmer, smoother skin. Most effective natural ways to combat cellulite and improve your skin's texture from the inside out. Number 1. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for flushing out toxins, improving circulation, and keeping skin hydrated and plump. Dehydrated skin appears thinner and less elastic, which makes cellulite more pronounced. How to stay hydrated for cellulite reduction. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day, more if you exercise or sweat a lot. Add lemon, cucumber, or mint to your water for extra detox benefits. Eat water-rich foods like cucumbers, oranges, watermelon, celery, and lettuce. Reduce caffeine and alcohol intake, as they dehydrate the body and weaken the skin. If you often forget to drink water, set hourly reminders on your phone or use a marked water bottle to track your intake. Number 2. Eat a cellulite-fighting diet. Your diet plays a major role in how your skin looks. Eating the right foods supports collagen production, reduces fat accumulation, and strengthens connective tissues. Best foods to fight cellulite. Antioxidant-rich foods. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and pomegranates. Dark leafy greens like spinach and kale. Green tea boosts metabolism and improves skin elasticity. Healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, almonds, walnuts, and seeds, chia, flax seeds. Olive oil and coconut oil help hydrate skin from within. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, for omega-3s. Protein for stronger skin. Lean meats like chicken and turkey. Eggs, rich in collagen-boosting amino acids. Plant-based proteins like lentils, quinoa, and tofu. Avoid processed foods, refined sugars, excessive salt, and trans fats, as they contribute to water retention, inflammation, and fat accumulation, all of which make cellulite worse. Number 3. Dry brushing. Dry brushing is a simple but powerful technique that stimulates blood flow, improves lymphatic drainage, and exfoliates dead skin cells. This helps break down fat deposits and reduce the dimpled look of cellulite. How to dry brush for maximum results. Use a natural bristle brush, avoid synthetic brushes. Brush in circular motions, starting from your feet and moving toward the heart. Apply gentle pressure, but don't brush too hard to avoid skin irritation. Do this before showering at least 3 to 5 times a week. Follow up with moisturizing oils like coconut or almond oil to keep your skin soft and hydrated. Number 4. Massage with essential oils. Why it works. Regular massage improves circulation, helps break down fat deposits, and reduces fluid retention. Best natural massage remedies for cellulite. Coffee scrubs, caffeine tightens skin. Mix half a cup ground coffee, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon sugar. Gently massage onto cellulite-prone areas for 5 to 10 minutes in circular motions. Rinse with warm water. Grapefruit and coconut oil detox massage. Mix 2 to 3 drops of grapefruit essential oil with 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Massage for 5 to 10 minutes daily to help break down fat cells and boost circulation. Use a wooden massage roller or a gua sha tool to enhance the effects. Number 5. Exercise to tone and tighten. Why it works. Regular exercise reduces body fat, strengthens muscles, and improves circulation, making cellulite far less noticeable. Best exercises to reduce cellulite. Squats, strengthens thighs, buttocks, and hips. Lunges, firms up legs and glutes. Bridges, lifts and tightens glutes and hamstrings. Jump rope and cardio, boosts circulation and burns fat. Combine strength training with high-intensity interval training, HIT, for the best results. Number 6. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep increases cortisol levels, which leads to weight gain, poor circulation, and weaker skin, all factors that make cellulite worse. How to improve sleep for better skin. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Keep your bedroom cool and dark for deeper rest. Avoid screens, phones, TVs, at least 30 minutes before bed. Drink chamomile or lavender tea before bed to relax your body and promote deeper sleep. Number 7. Reduce stress. Chronic stress raises cortisol levels, leading to increased fat storage and weakened skin structure. Reducing stress helps balance hormones and promotes smoother skin. Ways to reduce stress naturally. Try yoga or meditation to calm the nervous system. Spend time in nature or go for a walk. Listen to relaxing music or practice deep breathing. Just 10 minutes of deep breathing daily can significantly lower stress hormones. Number 8. Use natural DIY treatments. Best home remedies for cellulite. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, wrap. Mix 1 part ACV with 2 parts water. Apply to the affected area with a cloth. Leave on for 30 minutes, then rinse. Aloe vera gel. Apply pure aloe vera gel to hydrate and firm the skin. Epsom salt detox bath. Add 1 to 2 cups of Epsom salt to a warm bath. Soak for 20 minutes to flush out toxins and reduce water retention. Combine these treatments with massage and dry brushing for faster results. Final thoughts. Cellulite is a natural and common condition, but that doesn't mean you can't reduce its appearance. By staying hydrated, eating a healthy diet, exercising, and using natural remedies like dry brushing and massage, you can achieve smoother and firmer skin over time. The most important thing is self-care and confidence. Instead of stressing over cellulite, focus on feeling strong, healthy, and beautiful in your own skin. Would you try any of these remedies? Let me know which one interests you the most. Click on this video and find out all about top 6 women products you should stop using immediately and how they are doing you more harm than good. Good luck and see you on the other side.